Hello cake lovers, welcome back to Cake Factory. Today we are sharing 15 heart cake ideas where every slice brings a surprise of love. Let's dive in and spread some sweetness. The first one is classic hidden red velvet heart shaped cake. A soft vanilla cake hides a deep red velvet heart. Classic and crowd favorite. The next is ombre heart layers. Romantic and soft, gentle ombre gives a dreamy, love filled look. The next is chocolate cake with strawberry hearts. A perfect pairing, rich chocolate outside, fruity love on the inside. The next is rainbow heart surprise cake. Colorful, joyful, and full of life. This one's a great idea for birthdays and pride celebrations. The next is heart berry filling inside. Cut through to find a sweet burst of berry jam. Simple yet delightful. The next is sculpted heart inside round cake. Using sculpting techniques, this cake reveals a perfect heart in every slice. Impressive and tasty. The next is heart in a cupcake. Tiny threads with a big surprise. These are perfect for parties or gifting. The next is dual layer heart cake. Use two shades of cake batter or form a bold layered heart effect, so fun and creative. The next is peaceful heart inside marble cake. Elegant with a subtle twist. The pastel heart shades out without overpowering. The next is red mirror glaze cake. This shiny beauty hides mousse and sponge layers inside, shaped like a heart within a heart. The next is gift box cake with heart inside. The perfect for surprise, wrap it with fondant like a gift and reveal a love heart filled heart cake inside. The next is hidden heart cheesecake. This creamy twist is ideal for cheesecake fans. Just add just add a berry filled heart in the middle. The next is orange and white heart loaf. A fresh twist on classic hidden heart. Citrusy and beautiful. The next is black forest heart cake. Add a romantic vibe to your black forest with a cherry filled heart inside the rich layers. The next is purple velvet heart cake. Unique and modern. A purple velvet heart is a fun twist on the romantic trends. The next is let's review the love. From red velvet to rainbow cupcakes to cheesecake, we have shown you 15 beautiful ideas to make love into every slice. Which one of these hidden heart cake melted your? Tell us in the comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe this video and share this video to someone you love or who love baking. More sweet surprise coming soon only on Cakes Factory. So stay tuned with us and never miss any update. Hit the bell icon so you never miss any update. Thank you for watching. See you in the next sweet video. Till that, take care of yourself and your family. Love you all. Goodbye.